Hello students, welcome to the world of alphabets. P for peacock, Q for quill, R for rabbit, S for swan, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watermelon, X for Xmas, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Okay, children.